Hello friends, Prabhat this side from TechBSD. As you can see that today I have a very useful product for the unboxing. So it's a Oppo Enco Buds 2. These are wireless Bluetooth earphones. So you can see that this is the box packaging is very minimal, and what we get as per the Oppo is 28 hours of listening time. Then it have a stereo sound. Then we have the double tap to control the camera, AI noise cancellation, 10 mm driver, and Bluetooth 5.2. So the price they have mentioned here is 3999. That is Indian rupees, which convert to around 50 odd US dollars. But in sale you generally get it for 1500 rupees. So it's time to unbox. The color which I have ordered is Oppo Enco Buds 2 Midnight Black. Okay, so it will open from here. I have already cut it, so we can remove it. Okay, they have given a tip to pull it, and we have the earbud itself. So you can see that also here we have a tip. So good. I think we have something in the back as well. Let me just remove it for you. Okay, these are the tips. So 4 tips are there. So they have put the medium one on the earphones itself, and small and large are here. And this is the user guide, and they also have the serial number. So let me keep it side, just give you a overview of the earbud, how to pair it and everything, all the details. Then we have the ear tips. Now coming to the buds itself, let me remove the plastic cover, and we have the USB type C at the bottom. Then we guess yes, here we have the white LED light. On the back we have the normal thing for the certifications. So let me just open it, and Oppo is mentioned here. Inside is blue, and the earphones are black, and also the outside is also black. So this flip is very satisfying, a very good, I would say. Let me check the magnet quality. So okay, that's also pretty good. So they will not going to fall unless you want it. Let me just remove it. And I think yes, for this they have an app called Hey Melody app. So if you can see that I have already set them up. These are the Oppo Enco buds. So the moment the earphones are inside, they are in the case, it will give you it will show you the battery percentage of the case and all the earphones as well. And once you remove them like this, it will stop showing the case battery. It will only show the battery of earphones. So let me just keep it side, show you the options which are available in the app. So from here you can add multiple device if you have other device as well. Then you have the sound, different types of modes: EQ, original, bass, clear. And you can set anyone. Then going further, you have the game mode. Then you have the firmware version. You can upgrade the firmware version from the app itself. Going further, you have the option to set the left and right earbud for different tap functions. Like here, for single tap, these two options are available. For the double and triple tap, these options are available. And also for the touch and hold, these options are available. And you can set it differently for both left and right. So which I think is very good about the app. And so guys, I think for listening any music, these earphones are very good, because I have already tried them for 2 or 3 days. But for taking calls, they are not very good or very perfect for taking calls. So if you want to listen any music, you can definitely purchase them for 1500 rupees. They are perfect, but not for taking calls. And thank you guys for watching this video. I think that will be all for the unboxing. So for any such videos, please like my channel and also subscribe my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video.